EVOK explodes to a gain of 134%. This is Tuesday, the 4th of November, 2025. Intraday high 11.11. The company just disclosed that it has entered into a definitive agreement to be acquired by QOL Medical for $11 per share. Yeah, so this will unfortunately tank the shares, or rather it will stall the progress of the shares. It wouldn't go beyond 11.11. Okay, so yeah, there isn't more room to the upside. It's good news, but that's it. That's it. Nothing more can come out of this. It's now open to short sellers. Yeah, it's now open to short sellers. Only 944,000 shares have crossed the tape. So the volume will continue to increase. There might be tiny spreads. Yeah, okay. Well, yes, there is a spread. You can see the stock has pulled back. It's now at 10.7. So the people there might be scalping to and all that. But I think it's mostly open to short sellers because there isn't any room to the upside. There's more room to the downside. It's more room to the downside. So this is where the short sellers are, and the sellers and the profit takers. This is where they will be lining up. But people are buying anyway. They know how they're doing it. Yeah, yeah. That's the downside of these sort of measures acquiring. It's good for investors. Good for indeed also good for short sellers as well. Yeah, good for short sellers as well. Obviously, being that it has just been announced to today is not the end. They will still have a couple of days. The stock will still be around for a couple of days before everything is finalized. Okay, Evoke is expected to show a rise in quarterly revenue when it reports on the 5th. Okay. The company is expected to report a 63% increase in revenue to $4.32 million from $2.6 million a year. Okay. They should have waited till the company discloses its earnings outcomes before announcing. Okay. Well, they've done it this way, and that's how it is. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah. That's how it is. There's now more room to the downside. There's more room to the downside. People they might be selling the stock shorts. Yeah, they might be doing that. They will be doing that because there isn't really you can't. I don't really think it's going to rise any further. So if anything, if it pulls back, then there's an opportunity. It has actually pulled back, but how low will it pull back? But yeah, I think short sellers will be trying to scrape off or scalp fractional gains, and it all adds up as well. It all adds up. It all adds up. Yeah, down projections are saying 5.4, 5.24, 5.00, 3.76, 3.92. Those are quite deep. 6.95. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Okay, we have the same sort of levels as well. Okay, yeah, 8.46, something that can happen. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on. The stock has is on the move, and people are discovering prices. It seems. Let's have a look and just confirm whether they are discovering prices. They seem to be discovering prices in the midst of all of this. Yeah. So, well, I know for obviously this is a pre-market session usually available to sophisticated traders. So they may be doing some things out of this. They may be scalping and making something out of it. It's trading at the spread to that $11. So there's still something to be. There's still some gains to be had. Yeah, yeah. There's still some gain out there. There's something that they could still make some. They could still make some money out of what's going on right now, regardless of the absence of any progress beyond $11. Yeah, but it's active. People are discovering prices. Aggression surely has gone away, but activity hasn't gone away. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Just see what you make of EVOK, and thank you very much for watching this video.